So your credit score can increase because of multiple reasons. Like, why did it increase? Your credit score could increase because you paid down your credit cards. Your credit score could increase because you got a new account on your credit reports and you don't have at least 4 accounts reporting. So your account was starving for new accounts. Your credit score could increase because you got an account deleted from your credit report. Some inquiries must have fell off your credit reports. It's multiple reasons why your credit score could have increased. Now, I go over this, you guys, in the 60 points in 60 days. I definitely tell you guys the different things on why you can increase your credit score. And these same things could be the reason on why your credit score increase. A lot of people, if you don't know how to read your credit reports, understand your credit scores like that, go to Credit Karma, because Credit Karma will say your credit score went up and down, and then they'll say because of these 2 changes, these 3 changes, they'll tell you exactly why your credit score went up and down. So sometimes you're like, oh my gosh, my credit score went up 50 points. Okay, what did you do? Let's go and look. It's 2 changes happened. You paid, your balance decreased on your Capital One credit card, and then your balance decreased on your Navy Federal credit card. Those 2 decreases in your credit, it actually increased your credit score. So that's how you guys can definitely check to see, how it actually increased too. And